This is Mr. Wong Kian Yong speaking to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into the new MOE ID given to you. Alright, first of all, you can come to, as you can see in the screen, it's google.com. Right, in Google Form, you search for Gmail, click on it, and it'll ask you to sign in to Gmail. So what you can do is that you copy and paste the new Google ID that is given in the Excel form, and then you click next. And then you type the password given to you, so everyone will receive the same password, and then you click on next. So as you click next, it'll bring you to your Gmail. Alright, so this is how you log into your new Google ID. And then next, we are going to move on to Google Classroom. So you can click on the Google apps here and then choose Classroom. It will bring you to Google Classroom. So in Google Classroom, you will be seeing a lot of classes that has already invited you in. For example, okay, this is the one, alright, Year 1 English, and it'll have decline or join button for you to click on. So make sure you click on the join button. In Google Classroom, I'm going to explain to you a few features in Google Classroom and how you can make use of Google Classroom for your submission of homework in the future. Right, there are three sections here, namely stream, classwork, and people. So you need to go to the classwork to check for your homework. So normally you see there are major two icons that you can notice here. So this kind of icon, right, this icon is for material, right? So it's something for you to refer, to read, or there's notes for the kids to refer to. So there's no need of submission for this one. So for example, this is a YouTube video. So you just view material. So this is for them to watch. So you click on it. So you just turn it on. So make sure your kids complete watching the material as requested by the teacher. Right. So this is information about material. Look at this icon. Right. This is material icon. And then the new now is that you need to take a photo of the work, and then you click this add or create button, choose file, and then you need to choose the specific photos that you have taken, alright, either in your computer or in your handphone. Alright, so as you can see, it'll be added in. So depending on how many photos or how many pages of work that the teacher requested the pupils to complete, alright, you just need to top them up one by one by adding it, doing the same steps. And then once you're done, you just click on turn in, and then you'll confirm with your one attachment. So if it's one attachment, then you click on turn in. So the teacher will receive this homework from your kid. But if says like you feel like, oh, there should be another one, I would like to send in again. So you click on unsubmit, and then you can make your changes, or you want to remove this photo, you want to add on photos, by all means, right? Even you can remove it. So this is how you can attach photos as evidence for your teacher to mark your pupils' work. So once we are done with Google Classroom, so we are going to move on to Google Meet. Move on to how you can log into Google Meet via Google Classroom. So normally every morning, your teacher will remind you to join Google Meet for your morning lesson. So as you can see, there's a Meet link here. It will be shown normally 5 to 10 minutes before the lesson. Right? There are two ways where you can join the Google Meet. This is the first way where you click on this one, or you go to classwork. There's a Meet icon here, and then you click on it. So this is how you can join the Google Meet, right? So as you click on it, you'll open another tab and brings you to Google Meet. So in Google Meet, this is the first part where you comes into, and make sure this is the microphone part and this is the camera part. Alright. Before you join the Google Meet, make sure you turn off the microphone so that as you enter, you won't interrupt the rest of the teaching. So make sure you turn this off. So as you can see, as you turn it up, you'll turn the whole icon into red color, shows that it's turned off. And for your camera, please make sure it's always on so that the teacher can see your kids and focus and see whether your kids are listening, and they can pay more attention to your kids. Alright, so once it's done, you click on Join Now. So this is Google Meet. So you have entered to Google Meet. Alright, and I'm just going to explain a few features in Google Meet for you and your kids to be able to engage in the lesson. Okay, so normally what are the features that the teacher will use is this one, chat, alright? Chat with everyone, alright? So you can click on the chat button, the chat box will jump out, right? Send a message to everyone. This is where you can interact and send message or talk to your teacher, alright? So you can send anything, and everyone in the Google Meet can see what you are typing. So just make sure your kids react to the teacher's response, alright, and type things that's related in the class. So this is chat, the usage of chat. Next, we have this button. This is the raise hand button. So you click on it, and then in the teacher's icon, you'll see that you are raising your hand. So if say you want to try to answer question or you have any other question they would like to ask your teacher, you click on this button. So as you can hear, there's a sound, right, reminding the teacher or showing the teacher that your child has raised up the hand, right? Maybe there's some question or you'd like to answer to the question. Okay, so this is two simple features that you need to know. Okay, so once it's completed the lesson, so there's leave call. So make sure once the lesson is completed, you click on this leave call to leave this Google Meet. So you click on it. On the leave call button, it brings you to this page. So if you are done, so you can just close everything. But say if you are due to technical error, you are here or you click on the wrong button, you just click on the rejoin button so that you're back to the meeting again and click on join now to be back in the meeting. Alright, so that's some brief introduction about Google Meet.